Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start the call and adjust volume immediately. First, make or receive the call so iOS shows in-call controls. This is essential. Once the call connects, press the upper volume button to increase audio. Short presses are precise, long press raises faster. Make sure Bluetooth is off if you're not on a headset, otherwise the phone's speaker won't change. If you're using headphones, raise the device or inline controls so sound reaches you clearly. Once done with the basic buttons, open Control Center while still on the call to fine-tune. Swipe down from the top right corner. You'll see a larger audio slider and an icon to choose output. Tap that to switch between iPhone, speaker, or a paired Bluetooth device. This changes which amplifier is used, so volume levels differ. If you need permanent changes, exit the call and visit Settings, Sounds, and Haptics, and adjust the ringtone and media volumes to influence future calls. To finish, choose the best output. Speaker usually gives the loudest sound, so switch and verify. If you still can't raise volume, restart the iPhone. That clears software glitches. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't limiting sound, and disable headphone safety in settings if it's capping levels. If you suspect hardware, remove any case that covers the speaker, test with another headset, and contact Apple support only after these steps. This avoids unnecessary repairs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.